Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Canva Pro brand assets with Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Canva Pro brand assets with Teams, start by logging into your Canva account. Navigate to the home page and locate the brand section in the sidebar. Click on the brand option to access the brand management features. In the brand management section, select the brand kit tab. Here, you will see the option to add your brand assets. Click on the Add Brand Assets button to begin the upload process. You can upload your brand logos, colors, and fonts from this section. Make sure your assets are in the correct format. Once uploaded, you will see your brand assets displayed on the screen. Next, click on the Teams tab in the sidebar. If you haven't already, create a new team by clicking the Create a Team button. Follow the prompts to set up your team, adding the necessary details. Once your team is created, invite team members by entering their email addresses. After adding members, ensure they have access to the brand assets. Go back to the Brand Kit section. Click on the settings icon next to each brand asset you want to share with the team. Select the appropriate team from the drop-down menu for asset sharing. Confirm your selection to authenticate the assets with your chosen team. Notify your team members about the new assets available for use. Encourage them to utilize these assets in their designs to maintain brand consistency. Finally, regularly review and update your brand assets as needed to keep them current. This ensures your team always has access to the latest brand guidelines and materials. With these steps, you'll successfully authenticate your Canva Pro brand assets with your teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.